Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be unboxing our October Boxycharm, and I'm super excited. I finally got my box. Most of you know I'm traveling for work. My daughter flew here and bought all my mail, and I'm so happy. You know, one thing to be away from home, I just miss like my filming setup and getting all my package on schedule dates for film. So this is a little bit late, but not so late. So let's dig into this box and stop talking so this video gets so long. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you so much for my return subscribers for be watching. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. I love you guys. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my channel. Here we do lifestyle, everything beauty. So I invite you to subscribe, stay and join me. Okay, so if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that's for $25. You get this beauty box here that's normally coming with around $125 worth of product, and here you get 5 full product, which is amazing. You go from makeup, skincare and some lifestyle product. I think they include now. And Boxycharm also have a box premium that I believe that you pay $35 a month and get more product and more product worth it too. Alright guys, so the first product today is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch. What? My god, this is really push the envelope, but it's quite interesting name for a palette. So and this is the palette. I was excited to get my hands on this palette. I even see when it came out, it looked so beautiful. The shades are stunning. So today we're going to be trying these shades, and the shade is Glimmer of BS, Hush Blush, Eagle, Son of a B, Mirror Mirror, and Sun-Kissed Snitch. Ooh, that they are beautiful, the shades, very pretty. And this is a really nice palette. These actually have 2 bronzer, 2 blush and 2 highlighter, which I love palettes like that. That's versatile and have like a 3 product in one. So we're going to be trying this, but in a little while, because we do have some skincare product here and we're going to be trying on this video. So the palette was product number 1. Okay, and product number 2 is Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drop, illuminating the complexion, achieve a little from within, glow. The new soft focus glow drop, skincare, makeup, hydro next generation, wonderful serum formulate to active ingredient to brighten the complexion and gentle shimmer, instantaneous boost luminosity and glow. Ooh, fabulous. So we also going to be trying this, but we have one more skincare product here, so we're going to be trying too. Is a serum. So I'm gonna open this so you guys can see how pretty the bottle actually look. Look at this, it's such a beautiful. It's stunning. We're going to be trying. So, and it smells good. It does give a beautiful glow. Beautiful. Alright, so we're going to be trying this. And I forgot to mention the palette retails for $32 from Pretty Vulgar, and these retail for $60. Ooh, girl, you glow. It's costly. So, alright, so the next product we're gonna put this on the side because we're going to be trying, but let's first go to the next product. And the next product is this Fitfashionistarocks Quench Moisture Replenish Serum. Ooh, hydrates and replenish. So I'm looking forward for this. And this serum retails for $24, which is a good price for serum. And this is what it looks like. So since this is the last skincare product in this video, we're going to be trying this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to my face, and that should do enough. That should be enough. So let's just massage this into my face, as I told you guys a little bit about. Moisture Replenish Serum. Okay, hydrating replenish biomolecular hyaluronic complex plus vitamin V. Wow, this is great. So this has hyaluronic acid complex plus vitamin D, which is amazing and it feels really good on the skin. You automatically feel like your skin plumped. So my skin is clean, except my brows filled and a little bit of mascara and eye brightening product because I was filming another video. So in this let me read a little bit for you guys. A serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of a low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Wow, this is amazing, and this retails for $24. That's a great price for a serum, especially with, you know, all the benefits that they are promising here. So, and the next thing here, no, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kissed Tint Cupuaçu Lip Butter, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers the lip with a delicious blend of cupuaçu butter, acai, and coconut oil. Cushion softness, soup condition for a lip moving benefit that transform dry rubbed lips into the moist kissable with a scrumptious aroma of a dulce de leche. What? Girl, stop it. I like Sol de Rio de Janeiro. I like the product, especially the body cream. Ugh, they are so delicious. They smell so good. I love them. I have a couple of them home. I don't have here with me because you guys know I'm working away from home. And these are the packaging look like. It's super cute and have Sol de Janeiro right here. And I'm from Brazil, if you don't know, and this is a Brazilian company. It smells delicious, and that's what the lip tint look like. I don't know what it is, but my lips since I got here, it's so dry. It's so dry. So we're going to be putting this to the test, and let's see. It feels so luxurious on the lips and smells fantastic. Last but not least, in today's October Boxycharm is the Hype Dot Color Changing Sponge Duo. Enjoy amazing color changing sponge. Watch it expand to twice its size when wet. It creates a buildable makeup application with a minimal product waste. And this little duo retails for $18. $18 is a great price for two sponge. I love this for concealer. We're getting like a little spot that I normally can reach. Sponge, and we're going to be putting this to the test today. So, and that's all the product in October Boxycharm. Fabulous. I really love this box. I'm so excited for the palette. I love this serum. Yeah, that's what it looked like. Very cute. So, going to apply it to my skin. It smells amazing. Here I have my two sponge wet. We're using this Laura Mercier Tint Moisturize. So let's see how this sponge not absorb the product like the premise, because normally this is how much I use on my entire face. Let's see. So let's do this. I'm just going to apply the product to my face with a brush, and I'm just gonna use the sponge to blend out little spot, and let's do this. So now I'm just going to go in with the sponge. I went in and fixed my foundation in place. Now we're just going to add a little concealer. That's all we need, and we're going to be using the little sponge for concealer. I love the little one. It works perfect for my concealer, and I use the big sponge for my foundation. So now I'm super excited for us to try this palette, who looks fantastic. So I'm gonna go with this one here, the Son of a B, because it's the lighter one. Alright, so the bronzer look very beautiful. So now for blush, we're gonna dig in to the mirror. I don't know, just because it's pinkier and shimmery, just pigmented, so careful. Beautiful. Now let's dig into this highlighter, and the one I'm gonna be trying is the one called Glimmer of BS. Tap in. Look at that glue, girl. Very beautiful. And I like to put a tiny bit on the tip of my nose. And there we go. It's Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in the shade Fresh. This lipstick is so beautiful, so stunning. I'm gonna go over with Sol de Janeiro lip balm. And this lip balm is in the shade Teeny Bikini. Feels amazing on the lips. I am in love with it. Alright guys, so welcome back, and I'm going to dig into this palette and just to smoke up this eye a little bit and bring up like maybe into a fall kind of look. And for this we're gonna use Sun Kissed in Snitch. That's the one over here. So now I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this pink one, Mirror. And for that I'm gonna use my pink finger because I like to apply shimmer with my finger. Better. Alright, so for eyeliner, so you can make this look a little more popping, I'm gonna go in with this Dulce Fierce Fine Liner. And this is all for this October Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look that we created. So I'll see you guys later.